Hey guys, this is TechDroid and you watching the TechDroid Daily. So first start with the LG Nexus 5. MK Post claims that the Nexus 5 2015 will hit the Google Store on September 29. Reportedly, this information comes from an anonymous source who has correctly predicted the release date of the original Nexus 5 back in 2013. The LG Nexus will be made available through the Google Store in South Korea, says the report, but it's not clear whether the September 29 is when the phone launch. Since Google appears to ready to introduce Android 6.0 Marshmallow and Android Pay is right around the corner. Google typically launch Nexus smartphone around October and late September fit that timeline. Next one is the Sony Xperia Z5 renders show the camera leaks 23 megapixel camera on board. The highlight for all those camera out there is that now seems all but officially confirmed by Sony. The Z5 will feature an impressive 23 megapixel rear shooter. The prospectus of improve the camera will no doubt be a major boon to all those who were disappointed the Xperia Z4 and Z3 Plus, which actually made use of the same one found in last year. Xperia Z3 gives the stunning images that photographers both and professionals alike have been able to take with existing units. Potential for all even better. One will no doubt make the wait for next week IFA 2015 where the device elegantly going to launch. All the more difficult the device as a picture looks remarkable similar to those at comes before its phone still retained to same rectangular shape Sony used since its original. Thoughts again with the never rounded edges. Port can also be seams along the bottom end of the device. Since flap with looks like the smartphone comes again achieve its waterproofing primarily through sealing them rather than covering. In terms of specs, the rumors also all over the place. Some have actually suggested the Z5 will feature a 4K display, a claim that seems without any merit. The images are bumped up to 4K, which seems to be defined of the very product that would allegedly have it. Give that the Snapdragon 820 is not yet ready. It's possibly the Z5 could once again go with 810 on else step down to 808 like the LG did. With the G4, other rumors also indicate it will have 3 or 4 GB of RAM and an 8 megapixel front camera along with 4K upscaling software as a seemingly impossible 4500 mAh battery. And finally, very interesting news again from LG G4 Pro. Back when there was teaser as a super premium device, hint at the prospective aluminum construction as well as ultra high-end specification like a Snapdragon 820 SoC, 4 GB of RAM and 27 megapixel rear camera. On the bright side, the record matching memory count is reportedly still on the table, and so it is a screen diagonal boost 5.8 inch with quad HD resolution 25/16 x 14 pixels. Retention, the main photography unit is now clocked in secretly regarding the megapixel tool, but surprise, gossips call for a dual camera arrangement. It could help the G4 Pro improve the already impressive 16 megapixel OIS shooter on the G4. Another key addition to the upcoming tablet back of Trip purposely fingerprint scanner, which will be used among other authenticate Android Pay transactions. So the Xperia Z5 on the way to launch Sony's new flagship device with all new features pack, and other side the LG Nexus is another Google's new 2015 Nexus 5 render show that, and we will wait for September 29. G4 Pro is have a good specs over the G4 leak, says Snapdragon 820 and fingerprint scanner, so stay tuned for that. So guys, thank you for watching and keep subscribe to TechDroid to see more TechDroid Daily, and I see you guys in the very next one.